If you're running your business expenses through a personal card, you're making tax season a lot harder than it needs to be. A business credit card keeps your spending separate, your records clean, and your bookkeeping organized month after month. No more sorting through statements, trying to figure out what was business and what wasn't. When your card syncs directly with your accounting software, every transaction gets categorized automatically. You attach a receipt from your phone, reconcile at month end, and you're done. No manual entry, no guesswork. When you apply, most business cards will ask for a personal guarantee, meaning you may be personally responsible if the business can't pay. It's standard, but worth understanding before you sign. Look for a card that lets you check your offer without impacting your personal credit score. A business credit card used responsibly can help you build your business credit profile, simplify bookkeeping, and keep your finances organized for the long run.